Hi guys, this is Hodges. These are the practice sentences. Let's go. So, first one, quis est in horto is going to be who is in the garden. Pretty straightforward. Don't get quis mixed up with quid. Quis means who, quid means what. All right, number two, quis erat in triclinio. It means who was in the dining room. Erat is just the past tense of est. So, est is, erat is was. Quid sunt in cubiculo. This one's kind of weird. So sunt means they are. So this was technically really like who are in the bedroom, but that'd be like if there are multiple people in there, it's like who are all those people in the bedroom, but you could just translate that as who is in the bedroom. Quid erant in tablino, that would be, and I'm so sorry. Quid means what? So not who, but what is in the bedroom. I made the mistake I told y'all just not to make. Great. Quid erant in tablino, that means what was in the study. Erant is also plural. You could say what were in the study, but that really, we don't really do that. What I guess I'm just implying here is that there are multiple things in the study and you're asking what those multiple things were. Okay. Ubi sunt coqui et pater. Ubi means where. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? Sunt means they are. So where are coqui et pater? Coqui is cooks. Where are the cooks? And for et and pater, father. Matres in via sedebant. The mothers were sitting, sedebant, in the street. Dominus laetus cibum bonum in mensa gustavit. The happy master, Dominus laetus, tasted, gustavit, because it has the V, the good food in mensa, on the table, because in can mean in or on. Mercator est amicus meus, et in toga dormiebat. Mercator, the merchant, is my friend. Got to do it right. Et and in toga dormiebat. Dormiebat ends with a BAT, so we know it's, and he was sleeping in a toga. Ecce, leones in janua circumspectant et vina meum bibunt. Ecce means look or behold. The lions in the door look around, circumspectant, and drink my wine, vina meum. Navis magna ad tabernum vinum eratum portavit. This is a weird sentence. The large ship carried, portavit, the angry wine, which is vinum eratum, to the shop ad tabernum. Ego te video, salve, I see you. Ego, I, video, see, te, you. It's accusative. And then salve, y'all know what that means. Hello. Eheu, cur iudex mendacum coquit. Eheu, oh dear. Cur, why? Coquit, like, why is the judge cooking the liar? Poetae perterriti pecunias non habuerunt. The poets, perterriti goes with it, so the terrified poets do habuerunt, that's perfect, so did not have money. Or plural, I guess technically, monies? We'll just say money. All right. Ego sum agricola, sed cibos non window. I am a farmer, but I don't sell food. Hodie mendaces ad sunt. Hodie, today. Mendaces ad sunt. Mendaces is the liars, or liars. Ad sunt, are here. Ubi in urbe senes fabulas optima spectaverunt. Where in the city, or where, let's do it this way. Where did the old men watch the excellent plays in the city? That sounds better. Postquam juvenis cum turba stabat ad villa meam veniebat. After the young man was standing with the crowd. He was coming to me house. To my house. Hodie, quid tu res Wendy's. Today, what are you selling? Let's do it this way. What things, because it's quid res, what things are you selling? Parvus fer fabulas optimus scripsit. The small thief wrote scripsit. Excellent stories. Olim, once Libertus, the freedman, overpowered your dinner. Okay, so yeah, it's once upon a time once. Once the freedman overpowered your dinner, because he was angry. Cur tu ferocater per velam festinas. Why are you ferociously hurrying through the house? Quod ego cubiculum non habeo, because I don't have a bedroom, I suddenly sleep in the street. Story of my life, right, guys? Okay. Quid tu cum centurione mortuo facis. Okay, this has some ablatives in it. It just goes with cum. It's not a big deal. What do you do with the dead soldier? Quis prope me et intente matra meam spectat. Who is near me and carefully, intente, watching my mom? I don't know. Harry, yesterday I catch. That's present tense, but okay, well, whatever. Yesterday I caught sight of. It's technically catch a sight of because it's conspexo. I'll just make it right. Catch. So it should be I caught sight of many ghosts. However, Tommen, nihil fecerunt. They did nothing. All right, so ubi here in parentheses I have when. We know it normally means where. Sometimes it can mean when. Ubi can mean where or when, more often where. But ubi, when the girl understood intellexit all the things, she cried walde, very much. Sad. Centurio tacite rogabant, the soldier, or the centurion, quietly was asking, why are you, why are you so afraid? One way, why do you fear so much? Whoa. Of the girls. Puellas. Nuti, the messengers, led Duxit, him, ad pueros, to the boys, easily. Statim, immediately. This freedman searched for blood and the ferocious lion through the forest or the woods, is per silvam. And this per silvam can go anywhere. I could say immediately this freedman searched through the forest for blood and the ferocious lion. It's really totally up to you. Curtota herbs postulavit ego gladium consumo. Why did the whole city demand that I consume or eat the sword? All right, now we're going Latin to English. You are hunting agitas, the ghosts, umbras, on foot, in. Technically, it's going to be in pede, Or if you put like in pedum or in pes, that's right. That's okay because we haven't really learned much about the ablative yet. With a friend, cum amico. Once again, that's ablative because it's the object of a preposition. We haven't learned about that yet. So if you put amicus, that's fine. Who is preparing the dinner today? Quis parat cenam hodie. I'm just doing this in random word order. Remember, Latin word order doesn't matter as much. Where are the messengers? Ubi sunt nuntii. And it's sunt because there are multiple messengers. I am looking for quaeso, the messengers, nuntios, ablative plural, quod, because they saw, viderunt, my small dog, parvum canem meum. Parvum and meum are going to both be accusative because the thing they're describing, the dog, is also accusative. In the forum, in foro. Once again, in foro is because it's ablative, not a big deal if you put in forum. Okay, the lazy girls, puellae ignavi, were sitting, sedebant, near the gate, prope portam, to the city, ad urbem. Now, these objects of prepositions are accusative. That's because sometimes they're accusative, sometimes they're ablative. We're going to learn about that in stage 13. So hold on to your hats. Woo! The fierce thieves, furres, and the thing describing it, ferocious, this will be third declension, were ferociously striking. Pulsabant, ferociously, ferociter, the tables. And that's receiving the action, so it'll be accusative plural, mensas. What in the street made him happy? Quid in via fecit, for made, eum laetum. Last one. Where are you walking? Ambulas, cum, small old man. Let's see, it would technically be sine. If you put sinex, that's okay because we haven't learned about the ablative yet. And parvo, because that's ablative as well. If you put parvus, that's fine. All right, there you go. Hope that was helpful. If you need more, if you have questions about this, I just gave you answers. I didn't go super in depth. Shoot me a message on It's Learning or Remind, and I got you. Have a good night, y'all.